Hey guys, today we're going to do the recoil rope on a Honda versamow. It's a Honda hrx217. See, the model is hrx217tda. Right there. The rope is kind of doing its thing here, so we're going to replace it. I'll put the rope in the pull cord in the description below. So yeah, just click on the link and you'll have your rope. All right, easy peasy. 10 millimeters, 3 of them. I like to tighten them a little bit first to try to break them free. Spray them with a little lube first because they like to take the whole stud out. So just so you know, if it does not break free and it's turning, and the other ones do, or all 3 of them don't, and they just keep turning, just keep turning them. All 3 studs will come out. You'll have to take them off the back. It's very common. It might happen on this one. It's very common. But I'm going to throw some lube on these real quick and see if I can keep that from happening. It's the diesel fuel transmission fluid mix. Diesel fuel works really, really good for getting into, the threads. Training really thin oil. So that's my little mixture I use. All right, and then I'm going to take and try to tighten them first. See if I can get them to break free a little bit. And then go in reverse. So that one came free, thank God. That one came free, thank God. That one came free. We got lucky. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off up here. And I got to grab the handle with the other hand. I'm going to cut that off up there. I'm going to just set the handle off to the side. Get this recoil off of here. Set it off to the side. Alright, let me show you what it is, the studs, because you may have a stud that sticks. It's usually this one right here, the coil stud. So you see there's actually a 10 millimeter nut here. So it's just a stud. So if the thing keeps turning, just keep turning it. The studs will come out. All 3 of them have the 10 millimeter on it. So if they come out, then you can take this guy, flip it over upside down. You can put your 10 millimeter wrench on this side, hold that, hold this part of the stud, and get your 10 millimeter on the back side, socket on the back side, and then break it free. Once you get the stud out, you put it back into where they belong, and then tighten them down. And then you set this guy back on. Make sure that these spacers are in there. They go in through that side there. Make sure they stay in there. And then you get this all set back down where it belongs and how it belongs. Just like that. And now you're back to where I am here. Trust me, it's a pain in the butt when those studs come out, but that's how you take care of it. All right, I'm going to set up my my ring. All right, so we're going to go ahead and prep the handle. Boom, ropes out of it, done. We're going to do the same thing with this. I like to try to pull all the rope as I can out this side first. So you see it's all binding up. Get it all out to one side first there. Look, it's all the way out. And then we're just going to go ahead and cut that off. And then you can pull it out this side. Boom, the rope's out of there. Be gentle, letting this swing back in. You let it go too fast, too far, it'll come disconnected. It'll get disconnected from the spring inside, and then it's freaking out. It's just out. It's a pain in the ass that way. All right, so we're gonna take the rope, and why is this not focusing, huh? What's crapping in here? Focusing on that. All right. Oh, it's because oh, hold on. There we go. Let me get this out of there. All right. So we're going to take the rope and we're going to heat up the end of it. Just a little bit. Pull it to a little bit. You don't want to get too hot and bubbly or you burn your fingers. Do it a little at a time, and it just does that. Then we're going to line up this hole right here with this hole right here. We're going to get this rope to shove through one and then the other. Maybe we're going to get it shoved through. Spend a little hook in it like that. See if we can get it to stab in. There it goes. Goes through there. And then we're going to tie a simple knot in it. Like that. Pull it back through. Give it a good pull on. Make sure it stays in there tight. We're going to pull this through this slot here. I'm using number 4. Now we got, so this side goes through there. It's right here. This side goes through into here. We're going to grab this side like that. And we're going to go counterclockwise 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We've gotten that done. I'm going to pull this all the way through, untwisting it as we go, and then we're going to slowly let it in so that it doesn't snap to and take up all the stuff here. Getting one more rope undone. There we go. And then I'm going to pull this out again, and we're going to do 2 more wraps. Counterclockwise 1, 2. That should be more than enough rope in this lawnmower. Like that. Alright, now, and because this handle is going to go up on the handles, whole handle will go up there, we're going to want to give it a a little extra rope, so we'll set it up here. Wait, this way. We set it up here in place, and then we're just going to measure out. We want it to be tight, so we're going to measure out to about, here, about halfway up it, whatever, and then we'll cut it there. And we'll cut that off.
Other than that, I'm just going to go into it. Alright? And I get the worst case scenario so that
Then we'll put the handle through. Oh, well, you know what? Let's not put the handle through. It'll make it easier putting this up here. Let's see if I can get a better view. No, not really. Here, let me pull the phone off my tripod. Tripod's but works for certain things like an extra hand, but doesn't work for the whole thing. We're going to set this back up on here like it belongs. 1, 2, 3 nuts. We're going to put those in, tighten them down. Alright, so then I got all that tightened down. I'm going to push this rope up through that loop. And then I'm going to put the handle through this rope. The rope through that handle, I mean. We're just going to tie a simple knot in it. Pull it tight. And then that's it, guys. Alright, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'll put the pull rope, handle, stuff like that in the description below for you. If you want to do any advertising through the channel, message me. I'll be more than happy to have you. Peace.